All right, welcome to Bluesday Tuesday. This is going to be a blues jam on a tune called Messin With The Kid. I know this best from the Blues Brothers. A lot of other people did it, but it's got a cool little riff. We're going to be in B minor for this one, or B, key of B. So we have a riff here. That's our main riff that kind of gets things going, and then it also can be at the end of a progression to get it started again. So one more time, we got. So what that is little 7, and then 10-7 on the second string, 9 on the G, and then 7-6 on the G also, to 9-6-9 on the D. So we got. So fun little riff there. Let's try that one more time. 3, 4. Now our chords are going to be B7 because we're in that key of B. We're going to go down, up, down, and then we have a little riff. So we have 2-4 in the big one, and then 2-2 on the G, back to that big 4, and then 2-4 on the G. So we got our chord, down, up, down, and then the riff. And we're going to do that 4 times. Now we're going to go to E7, which is 2-1-3 open. We're going to go 2-4 in the G, and then we got to switch to the 3 here. Back to the 4, and then 3-5. So E7. And if that one's too tough, you could go open 1, open, open. We got 2-4, 3-3-4, 3-5. We're going to do this twice each time. We're going to go back to B7 twice. Now our turnaround chord, we're going to do this F sharp 7, 2, 3, 2, 2. So we're barring the 2s, and we got a 3 on the G string, the 3rd string. And we got to move our riff up to the 4 up here. 4, 6, 5, 5, 6, 5, 7. We do that one just once, and we're back to E7. Back to B7 twice. Okay, and then sometimes instead of doing the last 2 B7s, you'll do that riff again. So let's try the turnaround with the riff in it. To the E. Okay, so up to speed, that'd be like. And then we start over. Okay, so you see basically how it goes. Now we're going to have a little jam. We're going to do our blues scale here. So our blues scale is going to start on this B note up here. We got a 9, then 7-9, 7-10, 7-10. We also have the 7 on this big one. You can also add your flat 5th note there. That'd be the 10th fret of the G string. Okay, so you got a lot of good blues notes there. You could also go slide into that next position. So you got all these different fun notes here. So how about you guys try to play your scales here a little bit and come up with your own little blues solo. And these scales will be written out in the tab if you want to take a look at that too. Okay, so I'm gonna play the chords. How about you guys jam out a little bit on the scales? 3, 4. Start again. Riff. Go again. Turn around. Riff. Okay, so let's go back to that riff a little bit. So we got down, up, down. Let's take that nice and slow. So 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's look at the riff one more time. So we got 7, 10, 7, 9, 7, 6, 9, 6, 9. Real slow. One more time. And last time. So the third time at the end there, it does it 3 times at the end. You're going to end on that little note there, and then we'll hit a B7 to end it up. Okay, playing the blues. So one more time on your scale. So let's have you guys jam through that one more time. 2, 3, and... One more time. Now I'm going to take a little solo. riff 2 more times and we'll be over. 3, 4. Last time. Hold that last note, and then we got a B7. Alright, thanks for watching Bluesday Tuesday, Messin With The Kid. Check out the Blues Brothers. Jam along, it's in that same key. Thanks for watching Damon's Baritone Uke Joint. Talk to you soon.